my course assignment topic is implement automation in testing AI models using GitHub Action, and it is guided by Mr. Praveen R, Assistant Professor of AML, GM University. Next, and firstly, I seeing the introduction to AI model testing. In this introduction, AI model testing as a crucial step for ensuring AI model perform accurately and reliability. In testing, AI models is crucial for ensuring perform accurately reliable, and AI system depends on large data set and complex algorithm manually algorithm making to testing essential. This automation helps to validate model accuracy to test pre-processing pipelines and monitoring model drift when data changes. The automated testing ensures consistency and helps identify issues before the deployment. Next, and next is GitHub Action for funda and next for GitHub Action for fundamental AML workflow. The GitHub Action are automated workflow that run within your GitHub repository. They can perform jobs such as model testing, data validation, and deployment verification without recurring any external CI/CD system. CI/CD system and key benefits: native GitHub integration with minimal setup. The that seamless GitHub integration is minimal setup. The testing the across multiple Python version using metrics builds, and next secrets the management of API sensitive data like API keys, and efficient execution on scalable infrastructure, and next access to large library for a community maintained ML action. Next, and next using the GitHub Action for automation. this uh, the this slide provides a concrete example of a basic GitHub Action workflow, like file YLML used for testing AI models. Workflow of example snippet: the name text AI model, name text AI model, the name of the workflow. On on push, the workflow runs on every push to the repository, and next jobs defines the task. Build, the run or ubuntu latest uses the runner, and next steps, this sequence are commands. This is a commands, and uses the action check code at v4, checks out of the repository code, and uses action setups for Python at v4 setup for the Python environment, and it comments to install dependency. Pip install requirements text and run the test test model py. Practical implementation setting for your workflow: config workflow file. Config workflow file. This slide practical advice can how to config and run the GitHub action for AML testing. Use and firstly, config workflow file. You use YAML file in the GitHub workflow dictionary, and matrix builds used strength matrix to text against multiple Python version, example 3.8, 3.9, 3.10, and run the test suits. Use tools like PyTest for testing installation model, training my interference, and handling potential data model biases, and this used like PyTest convenes to generate detailed test reports showing the percentage of code covered by test, and report result generate reports and pull request comments summarizing the test outcomes and performs the changes. Next, and final slide is key takeaways. It 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 in this slide, the main conclusion of suggests the steps for continued improvement in AML testing infrastructure. Invest in test infrastructure. GitHub Action provides free CI/CD without need for external tooling setup. Build the comprehensive test suites. Use the suites for unit testing, integration testing, model validation, and regression testing to prevent regression and performance degradation. And final monitor and iterate the measure and improve the use test result and performance metrics to improve the accuracy, speed, and stability. Iterative refinement ensures a robust and high quality system. Thank you.